Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel World Science Learners. Today I'll talk about fishes. Today in next few minutes you will learn about all the characteristics of fishes. Now I am going to talk about fishes. Any of numerous cold-blooded aquatic vertebrates having gills, commonly fins, and typically an elongated body covered with scales, these are also known as fishes. So the examples of fishes are bony fishes such as catfishes and tunas, and the cartilaginous fishes such as sharks and rays. Now I am going to talk about the characteristics of fishes. So first, all fishes are cold-blooded. Fishes are aquatic vertebrates that are characterized by paired fins, scales and gills, streamlined body and muscular tail for swimming. Body covered with protective scales and mucus layer to reduce frictions when swimming. Fish are aquatic vertebrates that have vertebral column called spine. They are the largest group of vertebrates. Fish have a head and an elongated body and a tail. Many fishes are covered with scales that protect them. They have fins that help them to steer and balance in the water. Their body temperature vary in the water. They breathe through gills which enable them to breathe underwater. They can extract dissolved oxygen from water. Fishes are oviparous. Female fish lay their eggs in the water. Baby fish called fry hatch from eggs. Spiracles are breathing holes on the dorsal side of the head behind the eyes. Fishes have two-chambered heart. Thank you all for listening and watching my videos. If you appreciate my work, please subscribe my channel.